So, what's all the hubbub about this new aerodynamic lightweight wheel cover? This is Deborah Lockridge, and I stopped by to talk to Jon Fleck during the recent TMC show about his new hubbub wheel cover.
Hey, hello, I'm Jon Fleck from Deflector, and we're introducing the Hubbub Aerodynamic wheel cover for tractors and trailers. And pretty fun little product. I've been working on this for quite a while. It integrates different aspects of what we've had in the industry in the past. It's a hard cover, but with a wire frame that permits, with adjustable straps, the mounting of the wheel cover on an aluminum wheel or on a steel wheel. Same part number. It's a super simple approach that weighs the total weight at 28 ounces, and it's known to increase fuel efficiency. Schneider's running our current offering, and talk about 150 gallons per truck per year in their application, just on trucks. And with this iteration, we're trying to get the costing down so low that it becomes an economic argument for placement on trailers. You know, those trailers where three are sitting when one is running. But I can show you how it installs. It's a super simple installation. It's really a low mass model where the entire cover now is floating on a urethane grommet that's hidden behind. I can peel this off and you can see the grommet. This is the secret sauce, Deborah, where it comes down. And we rotate. If you watch right here, and what'll happen is that'll fall down, and that locks it into place.
You've been doing wheel covers for a long time now, right?
Yeah, I suppose I'm one of the first in the industry that recognized aerodynamics and wheels as an issue. I was a Volvo product manager at Boyer Ford in the Twin Cities in the late 80s, early 90s. And we had a fleet that had a paint wear problem on wheels. And I noticed that through the course of a winter, the paint was wearing off of the curbside wheel at a much greater rate than the paint was wearing off of the lane side wheel, which led me to believe that, the dirty curbside and the push of the truck through the air created turbulence.
What's the big difference between the hubbub and what you've previously been offering?
Well, so the beauty of the hubbub is it's centered over the wheel, and because of the adjustability of the straps, it doesn't matter if you're on a steel wheel or an aluminum wheel. It doesn't matter if you're on a tractor or a trailer. It's agnostic to the hub entirely. So from an ordering perspective, from an inventorying perspective, we can stack 50 of these hubbub covers, in a space that is just so small. And then the weight. The weight is considerably less.
And when are these going to be available?
Late second quarter, early third quarter this year. We'll be shipping from the Twin Cities, Minneapolis, St. Paul. And that is the Hubbub Aero wheel cover. Give us a buzz to find out what the Hubbub's all about.